Yo, what's up? Dr. Bassy's here. Today I am modding one of my basses. I am modding my very first bass that I ever got. This is a Fender Squire, and if you look on the headstock, it says Fender Squire and Mandalorian writing. But if you don't know about this bass, I have it in my collection series. You can go check out the history of it and what it's all about. But today what I'm doing is I'm taking out the passive electronics and I'm going to install the Bartolini HR 3.3. So you can kind of see that. And what this is an active setup with a concentric bass and treble knob right there. And I'm going to put it in. Right now I have these Aguilar pickups in this bass. They sound great, but I want to give this bass a little more punch and a little more tone control. I have it tuned like a tenor bass right now, just for funsies. So anyway, let's dive right in. I've already removed the old electronics, as you see there. And so I'm going to get this all ready to roll and we'll install the new stuff. Okay, so I have everything off the card, Bartolini card. So now I'm just going to drop this stuff in. This really cool tool that Joey at Federa gave me that tightens these little nuts around your pots. And it's freaking awesome. Okay, those look all pretty good. And then I can reach those terminals pretty easily. Relatively speaking, of course. Okay, so then I'm gonna move this preamp out of the way. Gotta untangle some stuff here. That goes to the input jack. That goes to the input jack. And this will go to the input jack. All right, so I have everything all put in place. I just wanted to show you how I did the knobs here. So if you're holding your bass, usually this knob on a 3-knob instrument is the volume knob. And this is the blend, and then your tone knob would be closest to the bridge. Well, because I like where the Boba Fett knob is, and you can see, that's pretty cool. I got that off of a Fernandez guitar. They used to make a Boba Fett guitar. Anyway, I like where this is, just as far as the aesthetic is concerned. And the Bartolini has the stacked tone knob here. So I wanted to keep the volume knob here just because it's Boba Fett. I didn't want to put Boba Fett on top of Yoda's face. So that's why, even though that knob is on Yoda's face, it's just weird. It was weird for my brain to have two characters on top of each other like that. Anyway, so so it'll take some getting used to because I'm used to this being this one being a volume knob here. All right, so this is both pickups on. And remember, this is a tenor bass. I have it tuned A, D, G, C. It's an interesting sound. And that's flat here, so I'm going to boost the lows a little bit. Okay, let me do the neck pickup only. Oh, that sounds great. Okay, let me do the bridge pickup. That's pretty cool. Let's go back to both pickups again. I'm going to actually roll the treble off just a little. That's wild. It sounds pretty good. It sounds pretty good. I like it. That's pretty cool. So there you go. That's the Bartolini Pre-amp. So in the Star Wars bass. I might get another one for my blue fretless. That's passive currently. Yeah, it's kind of fun. It's kind of fun. So nice little Christmas gift that I got. And pretty cool. All right, well, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, please share, please subscribe, especially. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.